Hello and welcome to another walking tour video. We're going to take a stroll through Cividale del Friuli, a small town in the northeast of Italy. This time I decided to add a voiceover because this place is truly magical, and as you know, the videos on this channel serve as my own reminder of the trips I took, and I'd like to remember the stories as well. First, let's talk about the heart of this town, the Piazza del Duomo. It's a square and at the same time a testament to the town's rich history. Dominating the square is the Cividale Cathedral, or Duomo di Santa Maria Assunta. It was built in 15th century and it's a mix of Gothic and Renaissance styles. One of the town's most iconic landmarks that I also enjoyed a lot, that you will see later on in this video, is the Devil's Bridge, or Ponte del Diavolo. And there's an interesting legend about it. It's that this bridge was built by the devil himself, who made a deal with the townspeople to construct it in exchange for the soul of the first being to cross it. And the legend goes on to say that cleverly the townspeople sent a dog across the bridge, outwitting sort of the devil and securing their bridge without losing a soul. It is an ancient stone bridge and offers breathtaking views of the Natisone River. It is also the birthplace of one of Italy's most important medieval scholars, Pablo Diacono, also known as Paul the Deacon. He was born in 720 and he was a Lombard historian, poet, and monk. Sounds kind of like some of those gurus from the internet nowadays. However, back then it was realistic that one person would be all those things. One interesting tradition and an event that you might get invited to is Palio di San Donato, which is a festival held every August. And essentially during this festival, the town's districts compete in medieval games and challenges, and all in honor of their patron saint, San Donato. It's not just the locals, but also visitors come along and wear their medieval costumes, reliving the town's glorious past. Now, on to the important stuff, okay? You want to know what kind of food should be tried here, right? Of course, it's Italy, so you will find some quality pasta and pizza, of course. But this town specifically is famous for its frico. It's a crispy cheese dish made from Montasio cheese, potatoes, and onions. Now, I have no idea, obviously, if it can be made with some other type of cheese, but, you know, Italians and French, they like to be specific in their recipes. However, I heard that it goes really well with a glass of local wine. Wink, wink, if you know what I mean. Unfortunately, this was only a short stop for us, just for one night. But I definitely fell in love with this place and I absolutely can't wait to visit again. But until then, hope you enjoyed this. Looking forward to seeing in the comments if you have visited this place or this region in Italy in general. What were your highlights and what would you suggest be added to my itinerary for that next time visit? All right, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.